7 fruits good for diabetes. You must have heard that if you have diabetes, then you cannot eat fruits. That is simply not true. Rest assured, you can still eat fruits if you are diabetic. But there is a very important factor that you need to consider when choosing which fruits to eat, as the consumption of some fruits can cause your blood sugar to spike. To determine which fruits you can eat and which fruits you should avoid, you need to know the glycemic index of the fruit. All foods have a glycemic index. A glycemic index is simply a number which helps you to determine how fast your blood glucose is going to rise after consuming a food. This is an example of a glycemic index, and it ranges from 1 to 100. As you can see on the chart, any number from 1 to 55 indicates a low glycemic index, 56 to 69 is medium, and 70 to 100 indicates a high glycemic index. So, you can eat fruits, but they should have a low glycemic index so that consumption of the fruit does not cause your blood sugar level to spike rapidly. Let's now look at 7 fruits good for diabetes which have a low glycemic index and offer many other benefits as well. Number 1. Berries. You can eat berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries because they all have a low glycemic index, and thus, they will not cause your blood sugar level to spike. Blueberries are also good for health because they are loaded with minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which will help to lower blood pressure and thus protect your heart from diseases. Because a high blood pressure can damage your arteries, and this in turn can lead to heart attacks or strokes. They are also good sources of fiber, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, which provide additional health benefits. Blueberries are also anti-aging fruits. Strawberries are also very good to eat if you are diabetic because, along with having a low glycemic index, they are also rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. Vitamin C will make your immune system stronger, and the antioxidants will help reduce the risk of cancer. So, if you are diabetic, include berries in your diet to reap the health benefits of eating fruits. Number 2. Cherries. Cherries have a glycemic index of just 20, which means they have a low glycemic index and they will not cause your blood sugar levels to spike after consumption. Not only this, but cherries also have a compound called melatonin, which is known to regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle, and it also improves the quality of your sleep. Cherries are also highly anti-inflammatory, which means they can reduce symptoms of arthritis and gout, and regular consumption of cherries will prevent swelling and pain in the joints. Another good thing about cherries is that they are loaded with many beneficial nutrients, such as antioxidants, which can delay signs of premature aging, vitamin C and B, vitamins which your body needs every day because vitamin C and B are water-soluble and thus are not stored in your body. You also get minerals such as manganese, copper, and magnesium from cherries, which are great for your metabolism and nerve cells. Number 3. Apricot. Even apricots are good fruits to eat for diabetics. The glycemic index of apricots is 34, so they have a low glycemic index. Another reason to include apricots in your diet is that, along with being very nutritious, they are also low in calories, and thus, if you are worried about your calories intake, apricots can be a great snacking option. It is also better to eat the apricots unpeeled because their skin contains large amounts of fiber and nutrients, and thus, if you discard the skin, you do not get as many benefits from eating apricots. Along with being rich in antioxidants, just like other fruits, apricots are also good for your eye health as they are good sources of vitamin A and vitamin E. Vitamin A is a versatile vitamin and is needed almost everywhere in the body. Vitamin E, on the other hand, will aid in reducing the formation of wrinkles, and it will also help to repair damaged cells and speed up the healing of wounds. Another good thing about apricots, aside from their low glycemic index, is that they are good for your gut health and will help to keep your digestive system healthy. Number 4. Grapes. There are many kinds of grapes you can choose from. Red grapes, green grapes, white grapes, etc. All are nutritious and have a low glycemic index, but red grapes are the best ones to eat for maximum health benefit. This is because of their darker pigmentation. Red or purple grapes have the most antioxidants in them, and this is very good because antioxidants help to fight free radicals, which can cause cancer, and they are also good for your skin health. Also, grapes are especially very good for diabetics because they contain nutrients which can increase insulin sensitivity, which means your body cells will use glucose more readily and effectively, and this in turn will help to reduce your blood sugar level. Grapes also contain a compound called resveratrol, which is a very powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your genes and promote healthy aging and longevity. Make sure to include grapes in your diet for good health and relatively lower blood sugar levels. Number 5. Apple. The American Diabetes Association confirms that apples have a glycemic index which can range from 32 to 38 depending on the variety of apple you choose. So this means be it green apples or red apples, they are both safe for diabetics. Another good reason for consuming apples regularly is that apples are high in fiber and thus they will provide bulk to the diet and prevent you from overeating. This in turn will lead to fewer calories gained and thus also aid in weight loss. Moreover, the fiber obtained by eating apples can also help with diarrhea and constipation issues. Apples also contain a polyphenol called quercetin, which helps to protect the heart and the blood vessels and also reduce the risk of cancer. Quercetin found in apples are also known to help protect the brain cells and prevent Alzheimer's disease and age-related memory loss. Quercetin is found in the skin of apples, so do not peel off the skin when eating apples or the quercetin will be lost. Apples are also low in sodium, fat, and cholesterol, so again, they make a healthy snacking option. Number 6. Peaches. Peaches are another excellent fruit for diabetics because they have a glycemic index of around 28, which means they will not cause your blood sugar levels to rise. Moreover, both the skin and flesh of peaches are also rich in carotenoids and caffeic acid. These are two antioxidants which have anti-cancer properties. Peaches are also full of polyphenols, another group of antioxidants which are known to reduce both the growth as well as the spread of cancer cells. Peaches are also great for your skin health as their nutrients keep the skin hydrated and also improve the texture of the skin and give you smoother looking skin. Eating peaches regularly is good for your heart. They aid in keeping heart-related diseases at bay and also play a role in lowering the cholesterol levels in the body. So, peaches are not only good for diabetes, but they offer many other health benefits as well. Number 7. Pears. Pears, too, have a low glycemic index and thus are good for diabetics. The skin of pears have a compound called anthocyanins, which can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, pears have a lot of fiber in them, and thus, this enables your body to effectively break down and absorb the carbohydrates from a meal and thus help to regulate your blood sugar levels. Pears are also low in calories and high in water and fiber, which makes them a weight loss friendly fruit. By eating pears regularly, you also get a plentiful supply of vitamin C and K, which help to combat inflammation as well as minerals such as copper, magnesium, and potassium. Now, these are not the only fruits which have a low glycemic index. Other fruits that you can eat are guavas, kiwis, oranges, lemons, pomegranates, etc. Mangoes, pineapple, and bananas are fruits which have a medium glycemic index, so you can still eat them but in moderation. Watermelon has a high glycemic index, so it is best that you avoid eating watermelons if you are diabetic. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informative content on your health, and until next time, take care.